This is UDK. You know, the thing before Unreal Engine 4? This is actually recreating the actual street from Street View. It was so much fun to work on. I used Google Street View to get the information about these buildings. This is what I have. This is the street. This is it. You see this building with the squares? Huh? Obviously the picture is different, but I can promise you that was the picture at the time. There's that building. There's this building. You see here? That's this one. Then the one next to it, right? Here's that, and here's the sign. This one used to be a our burger. Clearly it isn't anymore. I was genuinely using Street View for this. On the other side, yeah, there's this one. That's this building with all of the signs and everything. Right, the one next to it was just a very plain one, and there it is. There's all the signs. Guess how I found it through the Moss Burger. This looks decrepit as hell, I will say. Moss Burger's over there. Yeah, there's the Moss Burger. There's the Moss Burger. Now I want ham on this one. This building's on the other side. I did the full block. I was quite happy with this. This is the Moss Burger's right on this side. Yeah, so this is the other side. So you see how this building with the that's this one. I built it off Street View. Like, I'm not joking, right? How am I gonna get all this? Here's the building with the billboard here, and I put in you know, all the windows. Right, it's not like hyper detailed, but it was detailed enough. Right, this building is this one here. Right, even the sign is still there. I put in the entrance. Right, it has a whole full interior. It doesn't, like, they don't have full interiors, obviously. Right, this is this building with its dividers and the glass, and then this one's the curved one with the. Does it still have the? Yep, there's the. Yeah, so I preface this. I don't do as much modeling these days because I'm more focused on just the Unreal part of it, assembling all the assets, setting up the materials, making sure they all work, and like all that stuff. Like, I'm just like, I can clean up assets all the time, like, or I do clean up assets from time to time. But if we need like a new asset done, I'm not the one making it, just because I don't have the time. Probably not fast compared to like people who have been still modeling over the past many years. But I can't believe I actually found the freaking street. This is a good dive down memory lane on this one.